y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I decided to do just a little spa night, after work type vibes. It's Sunday, football is on, a little reset, kind of self-care, self-love type of night before we start a new hectic week, and that's what I'm giving myself today. So if you guys want to join me, pull out your face mask, pull out some nail polish, give the spooky vibes too. I'm gonna make some hot cocoa, might make some s'mores again. So we're really gonna get into it. I'm not really gonna talk much in this video. I'm just going to vibe out, and I hope you guys vibe out with me. So let's get into it. My face is so tight, I'm sorry. This book is great for the fall season. There's a part 2 to this book, and I need the part 2. This was actually really good. Once you get to, like, there's 3 parts of this story, so once you get to the second one, ciao. It took me way too long to finish reading this book, but it was worth it. So go read The Housemaid. You will not regret it. Oh, right now I'm gonna wash this off because my face is so tight together now. But it's gonna feel so good. I love this mask. I had this mask forever. I don't know if masks expire. They probably do. Everything expires, but it's on my face, so too late. But this is a good mask. It's the L'Oreal. Oh, I'll put it back. It's a L'Oreal mask. It's the clay one. So I'm gonna wash this off, and then we're gonna get into some agendas, some hot cocoa. Maybe we'll get into some s'mores, but we'll see. Wow, that felt so good. Just look at my face. Hold on. Just look. It feels so, like, rejuvenated. I'm gonna put my face cream on. My pawns. Y'all be coming for pawns, but, like, it do the job. And I have great skin, thank God. But, like, my skin doesn't take much to be hydrated. It gets dehydrated pretty fast, but, like, I wouldn't say my skin is dry either. Like, it just wants a little refreshment, a little freshening up. My skin just wants a little freshening up here and there, you know? So I get into it. And this hair is just gonna go up. Also, I just posted a picture on my makeup page. Link is in the bio. But that's what it looks like, and I think you guys should go follow it. And if you guys want makeup looks on here, I don't really do them, and I don't know why. But if you guys would like makeup looks, I could definitely start. Especially Halloween and stuff, so if y'all want a makeup look, just let me know. But look how good my skin freaking looks. Period. Alright, I'm gonna make some hot cocoa because I've been craving it. the ones with the marshmallows. Even though they be melted, you put more marshmallows in them. So the gag is I can't even find my s'mores bag. I don't know where I put that. So we'll stick with this until I get a snack. I got the hot cocoa. It's not as full as I wanted it to be, but I still have some marshmallows in here, so I guess that counts. I use milk in my hot cocoa because water is just, it don't do nothing. So I'm gonna vibe out, do some agenda work, just zone in, and just refocus my mind and my body. So.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I New York the shell. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Hey y'all. I don't even know why I got on here.
Feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.
it's some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.